Welcome. If you've ever tried to use certain features on Discord only to be stopped by an age restriction notice, this video is going to help you out. Today, I'll walk you through the updated and simple process of how to turn off age-restricted commands on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your settings and remove those limits. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your phone. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight into your user settings, where all your personal preferences and controls are stored. Next, you'll notice a settings icon. Tap on that to enter the main settings menu. This is the place where you'll find options for customizing how your account works, from privacy to connections, and even specific features that can be enabled or disabled. Now, scroll down until you see the section called Content and Social. This is where Discord lets you manage what kind of content you can access through the app. In this section, look for the option that says Enable Age-Restricted Commands. You'll notice it comes with a toggle switch next to it. If this option is turned on, Discord will block you from using any commands or features that it considers age-restricted. To turn this off, all you need to do is tap the toggle. Once it slides to the opposite side and looks grayed out, you've successfully disabled the restriction. And that's it. From now on, those commands will no longer be locked for you. It's a quick process, but knowing exactly where to find the setting makes it so much easier. So, to recap, open the Discord app, tap your profile picture, head into Settings, go to Content and Social, and turn off the switch for age-restricted commands. With just those few steps, you'll have more freedom and control over your Discord experience.